Where you going? You're going to tumble out of your chair. You better not. Oh, what are you doing, silly girl? You can do the coughing thing again? What are you doing? Can you patty cake? Can you patty cake? Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Can you patty cake, Birdie? Patty cake, patty cake. Where's your patty cake? Patty cake, patty cake. You don't want a patty cake no more? You got to use this hand too. Patty cake. Patty cake, patty cake. Baker's man. Can you patty cake? Can you wave bye-bye? Uh-oh. I don't think you're going to like that. Did you just hit yourself in the head with your spoon? What's the matter? Do you have a concussion? Birdie. What was that? Where's SpongeBob? Aw, SpongeBob is crying. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Where is it? You're so smart. How did you reach that without falling out of that chair? Huh? How did you get there without falling out of your chair? Sadie Bird. Sadie Bird. Can you cough again? Mama. Mama. Can you say Dada? What are you looking for? Trying to find your way out of your chair? Can you say da 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 da? Patty cake? Patty cake, patty cake, bake. Man, that's not patty cake, that's banging a spoon. And you're going to bang yourself in the nose. Looks like you already did. What are we going to bake today? Should we make a pie? I have a pie. You want some pie? I'll go out and get the pie out of the car. You can eat it with your spoon. Oh, I love that face. I love that. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Where'd the spoon go? Oh, can you reach it from there? Is that what you need? Oh. Here he comes. He's coming back. He's coming back to play with you. Here he comes. Here he comes. There's your spoon. What? Yeah, Meemaw, come here. You feeding me? You want out of your chair? You want to get out of your chair? Okay, say bye-bye.